here for example 2, we're going to be dealing with common logs, and common logs are what you see on your calculator. So when you look at your calculator and you see this log button right here, that is a common log. Common logs have only a base of 10. So if you have a base of 10, that means you have a common log. If you have a base of 5, base of 6, not a common log. So what we want to do here is we want to evaluate some common logs with our calculator. So all you have to do is just plug these into your calculator. So you're going to plug in the log f, so f of 100 is equal to the log base 10 of 100. Or another way to write that is just the log of 100. Answer should end up being 2. But if we go over here and we hit the log button and type in 100, because we're trying to find our exponent that raises 10 to 100, that should give you a 2. So we go back here and we write down the solution 2. So there's our answer for that. For B, this is a little bit different. You can't just figure this one out without doing a calculator. So if you go in here and you type in the log of 1/5. Now 1/5 can be just 1 divided by 5. But enter, you get negative 0.69897. Well, we're going to round that up, round to 4 decimals, so it's just going to be a 0.6990. So write this as approximately negative 0.6990. Do the same thing for C, do the same thing for D. So we're going to find the log of 3.25. So what do we raise 10 to get a 3.25? Well, 3.25 is less than 10, so it should be a decimal here. Hey, we got a decimal. So 0.5119, 0.5119, pen's run out of ink. And for D, we're going to find the log of negative 8, so what can we raise 10 to get a negative 4? So we're going to say the log of negative 4, and we get, non-real, yeah, we got an here. Yeah, this is a non-real answer. That means because there is no power that you can raise 10 to. Like if you write this as y equals the log of base 10 of negative 4, and if this 10 comes over here and bounces up the y, you say 10 to the power y, okay, there is no possibility of raising 10 to any value and actually changing it from a positive to a negative number. So anytime you get a log of a negative value, that's not going to be possible. So what you need to do is you would just say no solution. Oh, hey Cody Malone, how you doing? Get back to you in a little bit. So that's how you do example number 2.